Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day and welcome back to Whiteboard Invest Crypto News. Let's dive straight into today's top stories shaping the financial and cryptocurrency landscape. First up, we have the latest update on Bitcoin's price movement amid market volatility. Next, the U.S. plans to pursue a guilty plea from Boeing over the fatal 737 MAX crashes impacting global markets. And European markets are rising post the French election's first-round results, signaling economic stability. Meanwhile, France's far-right national rally leads in a pivotal snap election, influencing EU policy dynamics. In regulatory news, Sony prepares to launch a crypto exchange in Japan with its acquired Amber platform, expanding its digital footprint. Lastly, Vitalik Buterin criticizes crypto regulations for fostering chaos and authoritarianism. All right, let's delve into the details of each of these stories right now. Today, Bitcoin has surged past the $63,000 mark, reaching $63,200, marking a significant rebound from trading below $61,000 last week and even dipping to $60,000. The signs of price recovery began emerging yesterday with a slight uptick. This is a bullish signal suggesting potential for a mild recovery before further upward momentum. The recent price movements indicate resilience in Bitcoin's market, bouncing back swiftly after recent dips. This resilience could indicate growing investor confidence and renewed interest in the cryptocurrency. Looking ahead, if Bitcoin can sustain above the $63,000 level and build momentum, we might see it testing higher resistance levels in the near future. Investors should watch for continued trading volume and market sentiment as key indicators. If the current positive momentum persists, Bitcoin could potentially rally further, potentially surpassing recent highs. However, volatility remains a factor to consider, so cautious optimism is advisable in navigating these market dynamics. U.S. prosecutors are pushing for Boeing to plead guilty for misleading a federal regulator about the 737 MAX's development. This plane's faulty flight control system was involved in two tragic crashes that killed 346 people. Back in May, the Justice Department noted that Boeing might have violated an earlier settlement by not implementing a compliance program, especially after a door panel blew out mid-air on a new MAX 9. On Sunday, during a 2-hour talk, attorneys for the victims' families criticized the plea deal as a sweetheart deal. Boeing, a big defense contractor, hasn't commented yet, and it's uncertain if they'll accept the deal, which could affect their government contracts. The DOJ is reviewing a 2021 settlement where Boeing had agreed to pay $2.5 billion after admitting that two of its pilots had deceived the FAA by hiding the new flight control system. Now, Boeing might face an extra $247 million fine and have an outside monitor installed, which some see as just a slap on the wrist. At next, European stocks are set to kick off the week higher as investors digest the first-round results of France's snap parliamentary election. The UK's FTSE is expected to rise by 6 points, Germany's DAX by 96 points, France's CAC 40 by 100 points, and Italy's FTSE MIB by 268 points. The election saw a big surge in votes for the anti-immigrant National Rally Party, but they're unlikely to get an absolute majority in the second round on July 7th. President Macron's centrist alliance came in third. In Asia, markets were mixed, reacting to China's June business activity data and Japan's business confidence readings. Meanwhile, U.S. stock futures rose as Wall Street looks forward to the second half of 2024 after a strong first half. Investors are also waiting for earnings from Associated British Foods and new German inflation data.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Your support means the world to me and keeps me motivated to bring you the hottest news updates every day.
Let's come to France, where the first round of France's snap parliamentary election saw a big surge for the anti-immigrant National Rally, RN Party, with President Macron's centrist alliance in third place. Early polling data shows RN winning 34% of the vote, the leftist New Popular Front, NFP, getting 28.1%, and Macron's Together block at 20.3%. Updated figures put RN at 33.1%, NFP at 28%, and Together at 20%. The second round on July 7th is crucial, with no party winning an outright majority, leading to potential political uncertainty. Macron will stay president until 2027, but he might have to appoint a national rally prime minister, likely 28-year-old Jordan Bardella. This could make governing tricky and raise economic concerns. Sony is gearing up to launch a new cryptocurrency exchange called S-Blocks Co. by revamping the local platform Whalefin, which it bought last August. S-Blocks will work with other Sony businesses to boost its crypto services, featuring a redesigned user interface and a new mobile app. Originally known as Decurrent and later owned by Amber Group, the platform changed hands to Sony's Quetta Web Co. last year. Sony is also diving deeper into Web3, building its own public blockchain network in partnership with Stardale Labs. Stardale's external director will lead the new exchange. Additionally, Sony has filed a patent for super fungible tokens to be used as in-game assets. Bitcoin's volatility has notably declined since the introduction of spot Bitcoin ETFs, particularly evident in historically low weekend trading volumes, according to Kaiko Research. Traditionally known for volatile weekends, Bitcoin now sees only 16% of its trading activity occurring on weekends, down from 28% in 2019. The ETFs, restricted to weekday trading hours, have reshaped market dynamics, with increased focus on the benchmark fixing window during weekdays. The closure of crypto-friendly banks like Signature and Silicon Valley in 2023 further reduced liquidity, impacting market makers. Amidst economic uncertainties, Bitcoin's price has remained stagnant as investors monitor inflation metrics and anticipate Federal Reserve decisions, reflecting cautious sentiment in the market. Lastly, Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum and a prominent voice in the cryptocurrency community, recently expressed disappointment with the state of cryptocurrency regulations, particularly in the U.S. He criticized the current regulatory landscape as fostering anarcho-tyranny, a chaotic and authoritarian mix that he believes harms rather than helps the industry. Speaking on Warpcast, a social media platform built on the Farcaster protocol, Buterin described how current regulations corner genuine cryptocurrency developers. He pointed out that while vague regulations allow misleading projects to operate freely, those who transparently disclose profits and customer rights face scrutiny akin to securities. Buterin also highlighted the prevalence of fraud and deception online under current lax rules, hindering the growth of meaningful cryptocurrency projects. To address these issues, Buterin proposed 3 solutions: implementing leverage limits to protect investors, requiring audits and transparency to build trust in cryptocurrency projects, and educating users about market risks. He emphasized the need for a regulatory framework that promotes economic value and sustainable development, urging cooperation between regulators and industry stakeholders to achieve clearer, fairer, and more effective regulations.
All right, that's hottest news today. If you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. Peace out.